Do you have the foresight to invest in Australian property? Let's take Sydney as an example. Just 50 kilometres southwest of Sydney, there lays a very small town, Menangle Park. So what is Menangle Park known for? Nothing. Well, not nothing. Planes. But also, more planes. Let's see what this suburb will turn into over the next 10 years. With new and existing developments happening in and around Menangle Park area, with the biggest game changer for this region will be the new city and the new airport they're calling the Aerotropolis. The Aerotropolis is being built in Badgerys Creek, just a 30-minute drive away. This will only drive up the population of the area, with the current population of 2,000 residents growing in the next 10 years to 17,000. With an opportunity like this, you really need to jump in early before everyone wants to move into the area for the new jobs the business centre will create. Just look at our one member scenario. They bought a house and land back in February 2021. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath and 2-car space built on a 481 metre square block for just over $772,000. Based on comparables back in 2021 in the surrounding suburbs, we did our due diligence and were able to negotiate this 2-story house down to a similar price of a 1-story, with the land price at $415,000 and a build price at $357,000. After it was re-evaluated in January 2024, just 2.5 years later, it is now worth $1.15 million from a purchase price of $772,000. That's a growth of $378,000, which is a little over $151,000 a year, with the land value alone shooting up to $750,000, and now renting at $650 a week, which is a 4.4% rental return. If we look at 3 other properties in Menangle Park that were just sold late last year, you'll see it's not just a one-off property, with all 3 single-story houses hitting the $1 million price mark. It just goes to show the best time to invest really was yesterday, and the next best time is now. Want to learn more? Get weekly showcases on opportunities just like this one by clicking on the link below. And if you're already a member, we look forward to seeing you in one of our upcoming location showcases. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, drop us a like and subscribe, and let us know down in the comments what suburb we should do next.